Grabe guys, ito yung pinakamalawak na resort dito sa Siquijor. Nafe-feel ko talaga Siquijor dito. Grabe. Woo! Good morning guys, this is Kuya PP again. It's our third day here in Siquijor and we are currently staying here today at Tahanan Resort. Marami pa tayong plano sa anong puntahan ng lugar, kaya lang baka limited na lang yung oras natin kasi bukas uwi na tayo. Ang plano ngayon, balik tayo ng Palaton Beach kasi doon tayo mag-breakfast. May reserve tayo ng pagkain. So di pa kami napag-book guys isang resort na susunod na pupuntahan sana namin kasi wala nang vacant. So baka mag-i-extend na lang kami dito. Sana makapag-ikot-ikot pa tayo ng maraming location ngayon. Let's go guys, simulan na natin. Hanapon mo po.
You got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written.
Happy birthday to Mimi, happy birthday!
If you wanna go out, we can go out. Just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave.
Hello, baby. Hello. Ligo na liga. Palandong lang binik. Tao bra. Itod ka gamay. Hinay lang ha kay. Di na po ako kupot. Hirap pala mag-swing guys mag-isa. Okay, paliton. Bodo dalso. Muna siya pang barang guys. Tinood ng barang de. The ultimate Bodo dolls. Bili tayo ng sando guys. Kasi ang init-init. Hindi na pa ako naka-t-shirt. Pila to te? 280. Sige. Isa te, isa. Ang init. Kain muna tayo guys. Di pa tayo na breakfast kanina. Tara na tayo. Dito tayo sa loob kasi mainit masyado dito sa labas. Gusto ko makain na. Kinila. So di pa tayo nakaligo sa pool dito guys sa Tahanan Resort. Tara, ligo tayo. Hello, dog falling na guys. This is the place sa guys. Guys, papatayo mga kaya mo diya, dito. Matagal mo diya, hello. Si mami na bibilyar doon. Hello. Hot. Basta akong kao. Guys, shower. na ta. Woo! Woo! Move! Uy, palangoy yan yung ito, mami. Ito, mami, arala ka tayo, mami. Ay, dali, painit daw, painit. Kami, baby, okay na ka? Kaya nang mag-water?
Dale pa' ver, tengo el cuarito de aquel dito menos. Vamos a perro negro pa' perreármela bien bueno. Hacemos en la casa grosería, de noche y de día todos los senos. Tú dime mami, que si tú quieres nos hablamos cuando llegue yo. Todo lo que hice nos gastamos esa money. Pégate pa' que te dice.
So guys, may pupuntahan tayo doon resort. Secure glamping yata yun. Tapos yung White Villas. Gusto ko mag-capture doon kasi maganda rin yung location niya tapos yung beach niya. So let's go guys. Tara.
Let's go! I look in the mirror. Who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems.
So we're here guys at White Villas. Ito sana yung binook namin punta dito kaya lang punuan na. Tingnan lang natin yung loob. Tapos tambay tayo sa restaurant nila. So ito yung mga rooms nila guys. Sus. So ngayon guys, kami lang muna tatlo kasi sila mami nagpapahinga pa dun sa resort para mapakita ko sa inyo yung lugar. Kaya lumabas talaga kami. Sayang din naman kasi yung oras. Nakatambay lang kami dun.
But I'll get over you and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
So ito yung pool nila guys. So talaga sana mag-stay dito kaya puno na talaga. Tambay na lang muna tayo. Tapos capture. Gawa tayo ng aerial shots.
But oh, how we got burned.
Grabe, sarap dito magtambay guys. Chill lang itong lugar na to.
No one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through. But I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on.
Next destination natin, papunta tayo ng Coco Grove. Try natin kasi uwi na tayo bukas. So, let's go guys, let's go.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep.
So we're here guys at Coco Grove Resort. Tingnan natin doon sa loob. Punta tayo sa kanilang beach spot. Guys, move naman guys. Ikaw tanong.
Maybe we're over it, or maybe
pala,
just
guys.
lovers. Cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me.
Mura kay siya pinakaraan style kay Juan ba ni?
She throwing the pills.
Nare mo luyo.
Now put your loving on me.
Sige, marala ko.
Hey, loving on me. Maybe you.
Grabe guys, ito yung pinakamalawak na resort dito sa Siquijor.
And sometimes I pray
Ayaw. Narawal lang beach, oh. Wow, ganda guys. Pinakagayo kayo. Happy guys. So ito. Woo!
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go. Oh, it's coming.
Dati guys, nakikita ko lang to sa social media. Ngayon, dito na tayo. I love Sikihor.
The truth about her common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put. As we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful. At this moment, it's time to tell where we should go. But how can I be sure? Can we change it? The truth about our common soul, to say we know it's real, something to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Isaya palayo.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow.
So yun guys, experience natin yung Coco Grove Resort dito sa Sikihor. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito guys. Hindi ko talaga makumpara sa iba. Sobrang lawak talaga. Ito talaga yung pinakamalawak na resort tingin ko. Ganda ng sunset dito. Try nyo experience sa puntahan tong lugar na to. Grabe, 2 thumbs up.
Old ways get washed out by the
Na tayo sa
rain.
resort.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you.
Stop over muna tayo dito guys. Pili tayo ng cake. Yung birthday talaga ngayon ni Mami Annabelle. Kaya hanap tayo ng cake here. Ito nga pala yung pangalan nitong tindahan nila. J. Vince Bake Shop. Pasok tayo sa loob tara. Oh, sasarap ng mga dito. Pastry. Oops! Gusto mo na baby. Ito yung mga menu nila dito. Ito yung mga cake nila guys. Muna ni? Sige. Ito na yun guys. Tara, okay na to.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old unsigned? sign, my dear, for old lang syne.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, mga nag-birthday. Yay! Happy birthday. Na, kainan na. Gutom na. Oh, yun yung birthday ni Benny, guys. Ni Mami, Annabelle, ni Kinshin, tapos ni ni Shania. O kapasad ni Kuan, ni Venice. Dito na kami nag-celebrate lahat kasi lahat sila May yung birthday nila. Except lang kay Shania na April 30. Kalapit yung birthday nila.
For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll tug a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Sige, sans. Kabaw mo yung bunod sa lawas. Yun guys, tapos na yung celebration dinner natin sa birthday nila ni Mami, ni Benik, ni Kenshi, ni Shania. So, siguro ngayon guys, matutulog na tayong maaga kasi maaga tayong alis bukas mga 10 AM. Pabalik na ng Cebu. Tingin ko, hanggang dito na muna yung vlog natin, hanggang dito na muna yung mga caption natin. See you again sa next video natin. So, keep it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Crave TV. See you. Where to next?
We forgot and never brought to mind. Should